Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada International Student Magazine. For today, we'll be showing you how to apply for Alberta Healthcare Insurance Plan, or AHCIP for short. Whether you are a new or returning eligible resident to Alberta, you must register for the Alberta Healthcare Insurance Plan. By registering in the AHCIP, you have access to medical services in Alberta. And when you access medical services, you must present your personal health care card as well as photo identification. A common question students ask: are international students eligible for AHCIP? Students under the age of 18 will be required to be added to the AHCIP account of a custodian. Students who have a 12-month study permit valid for an Alberta Educational Institute and who will reside in Alberta for 12 months or more. Students whose study and permits are valid for less than 12 months may be eligible for the AHCIP coverage if their application is along with a letter of the students confirming their intent to reside in Alberta for at least 12 months. If you are eligible for applying to the healthcare plan, you only need to follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Complete the application form. You only need to complete all the sections, such as filling out personal information, when you move to Alberta, and so on. Step 2. Bring all required documents. When you apply for the healthcare plan in Alberta, you must provide the following documents that prove Alberta residency, identity, legal entitlement to be in and remain in Canada. Let's talk a little bit more about Alberta residency, which includes the following: driver's license from Alberta, bills such as utilities or phone bills, mortgage or rental agreements, home insurance. For identity documents, it includes these following examples too. For legal entitlement to be in Canada, you can provide the following: Finally, step 3. After you have all the required documents, you can apply either in person or by mail. If you are applying in person, remember to bring the completed application form for your original documents to a participating registry office. We will include a link to the office locations in the description. Processing times can take up to 5 days if you submit in person. If you are sending the application by mail, you need to provide photocopies of your supporting documents along with the completed application form to the following address. Please note that photocopies must include the front and back of the document, and do not send original documents by mail. Processing time can take up to 6 weeks and may be longer between October and February. All cards will be mailed directly to the applicants, so please ensure that you provide your most recent mailing address.